Today we will see how shirts are made. The process begins with the raw materials processing. First, the fabric passes through automatic cutting machine. Now the fabric passes through edging aligning process. Manually, doing the ironing process on the fabric. Then the fabrics are sewn by the highly trained tailors. It manufacturing the garment and bending the sets with the 3D design. Manually marking the area on the shirts for the buttons. Now fitting the button on the shirt using automatic machine. After that, stitching the logo on the shirts using the automatic machine. The shirts pass the quality control process which ensure the right quality. Now making the collar using the automatic collar sewing machine. The shirts pass through packaging process. Finally, the shirts ready for the customer.